Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this two-part series, we'll look into the service life of passenger and light truck tires. Discover the critical factors, maintenance tips, and replacement guidelines to ensure your safety on the road. If you want to make informed decisions about your tires, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more informative content. The service life of a passenger or light truck tire is a crucial aspect to consider when it comes to vehicle maintenance and safety. How long can you expect your tires to last before they need to be replaced? In this video, we will explore the factors that affect tire lifespan and provide insights on how to maximize their durability. Whether you are a daily commuter or an occasional road trip enthusiast, understanding the service life of your tires is essential for optimal performance and peace of mind. Definition of service life. Understanding the service life of a passenger or light truck tire is crucial for maintaining safety and optimizing performance. The service life refers to the period during which a tire can be safely used for its intended purpose before it needs to be replaced. Let's explore the factors affecting tire service life, different tire wear patterns, and the importance of tire maintenance in prolonging a tire's service life. Factors affecting tire service life. Several factors influence the service life of a passenger or light truck tire. These factors can vary depending on various circumstances, such as the type of vehicle, driving conditions, and maintenance practices. Here are some key factors to consider. Tread depth. Adequate tread depth is crucial for maintaining traction and grip on the road. As tires wear down, their ability to disperse water and provide traction decreases. It is essential to regularly check and replace tires with shallow tread depth. Driving habits. Aggressive driving behaviors like hard braking, frequent accelerations, and sharp turns can accelerate tire wear. Consistently practicing safe and smooth driving habits can help extend the service life of your tires. Road conditions. Rough terrain, potholes, and sharp objects on the road are potential hazards that can cause premature tire wear or damage. Avoiding such road conditions and maintaining awareness while driving can help protect your tires. Vehicle alignment. Proper alignment ensures that tires wear evenly and prolongs their service life. Misalignment can lead to uneven wear patterns and premature tire replacement. Tire load capacity. Overloading a vehicle beyond its recommended tire load capacity can cause excessive tire wear, leading to short service life. It is crucial to follow the manufacturer's load capacity guidelines for your specific vehicle. Tire wear patterns. Tire wear patterns are indicators of potential issues affecting tire service life. By inspecting the wear patterns, you can identify and address problems promptly. Here are some common tire wear patterns to be aware of. Cupping. Cupping, also known as scalloping, appears as small, irregular depressions on the tire's tread. It is often caused by worn-out or damaged suspension components, improper wheel alignment, or unbalanced tires. Feathering. Feathering occurs when the tread ribs on one side of the tire are smoother than the other side. It is typically a sign of misalignment or improper tire rotation. Center wear. Center wear is when the center section of the tread wears out faster than the edges. This wear pattern can result from overinflation or driving with incorrect tire pressure. Edge wear. Edge wear is the opposite of center wear, where the outer edges of the tread wear out more quickly than the center. Underinflation or driving with low tire pressure is often the cause of this wear pattern. Tire maintenance and service life. Proper tire maintenance plays a vital role in prolonging the service life of your passenger or light truck tires. Here are some essential maintenance practices to consider. Regular inspections. Routinely check your tires for signs of wear, damage, or any anomalies in tread patterns. This will help you identify and address potential issues before they worsen. Tire rotation. Regularly rotating your tires promotes even wear across all four tires. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for recommended rotation intervals and patterns. Proper inflation. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is crucial for both safety and tire longevity. Underinflation or overinflation can lead to uneven wear and reduced service life. Alignment checks. Periodic wheel alignment checks ensure that your tires wear evenly and extend their service life. If you notice any signs of misalignment, such as uneven wear patterns, have your alignment checked by a professional. Avoiding overloading. Respect the recommended load capacity of your vehicle to prevent excessive strain on the tires, leading to premature wear and decreased service life. By understanding the definition of service life, recognizing tire wear patterns, and practicing proper tire maintenance, you can maximize the longevity and performance of your passenger or light truck tires. Regular maintenance and attention to potential issues will ensure that your tires serve you well throughout their service life. Determining the service life of a tire. Tires play a critical role in the overall safety and performance of passenger or light truck vehicles. As a responsible vehicle owner, it's essential to understand how to determine the service life of your tires. By considering various factors such as tire manufacturer recommendations, tire age, tread depth, and signs of aging, you can ensure the optimal performance and longevity of your tires. Tire manufacturer recommendations. One of the primary sources of guidance to determine the service life of your tires is the tire manufacturer's recommendations. Each tire manufacturer may provide specific guidelines regarding the lifespan of their tires. These recommendations often take into account the tire's design, materials used, and intended usage. It's crucial to follow these guidelines to ensure your tires are safe and performing optimally. Tire age and service life. Tire age is an important factor to consider when determining their service life. Even if your tires appear to be in good condition with sufficient tread, they can still deteriorate over time due to aging. Most tire manufacturers recommend replacing tires that are over 6 years old, regardless of their visible condition. This is because the rubber compounds used in tire manufacturing can degrade over time, leading to reduced performance and increased risk of failure. Tread depth and service life. The tread depth of a tire is another significant factor in determining its service life. Tread depth refers to the measurement of the remaining tread on the tire's surface. As the tire's tread wears down over time, its ability to provide adequate traction and grip on the road diminishes. Most experts recommend replacing tires when the tread depth reaches 4/32 of an inch or less. Proper tire maintenance and regular inspection will help you monitor the tread depth and determine if your tires need replacement. Thank you for joining us in part 1 of our series on tire service life. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue our exploration of this essential topic. Your safety on the road depends on the quality of your tires, so make sure you have all the knowledge you need. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver, your go-to destination for automotive knowledge. Thank you very much for watching.